Preparing a simple spaghetti bolognese. Cooking a simple spaghetti bolognese is a rewarding experience that brings a taste of Italy to your table. You will need 400 grams of spaghetti, 500 grams of minced beef, 1 onion, 2 garlic cloves, 400 grams of canned chopped tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 cup of beef stock, salt, pepper, and fresh basil leaves. Start by chopping the onion and garlic finely. In a large pan, heat some oil over medium heat and sauté the onion and garlic until they are soft and golden. Add the minced beef to the pan, breaking it up with a spoon, and cook until it is browned. Once the beef is browned, add the chopped tomatoes, tomato paste, and beef stock to the pan. Season with salt and pepper and let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes until the sauce thickens. While the sauce is simmering, cook the spaghetti in a large pot of boiling salted water according to the package instructions until it is al dente. Drain the spaghetti, and add it to the pan with the bolognese sauce, tossing it well to coat the pasta evenly. Serve the spaghetti bolognese with a sprinkle of fresh basil leaves on top and enjoy a hearty and flavorful Italian meal.